It was not only one save, we had a lot of things to do tonight. How cool when Kami was with the ball helps us a lot in our build-up situation. When he comes out for crosses, he's outstanding. And yes, that save was just incredible. But I really think that how the boys work together. If we don't defend the whole pitch like we defended today, Ali cannot make 20 saves like the last one. That he did it, incredible, unbelievable. Never saw something similar. But still he needs the other boys around. And that I don't forget it, because maybe nobody asked, I want to say thank you, Anfield. It was unbelievable. It was unbelievable what the people did tonight, how the atmosphere they created. It's just so special. I couldn't be more proud on all the people involved. Okay. Thank you.